Imagine standing in a grocery line, anxious you'll pick the slowest one. You check others, switch lines, then regret it. That's a small example of how a scarcity mindset hijacks our focus from what we have to what we lack. This mindset isn't just about groceries. It shapes careers, relationships, even happiness. When we believe there's never enough, our brain narrows its field, making us reactive instead of creative. So, what is a scarcity mindset? It's the belief that resources, money, time, success are limited. Psychologists say it traps people in short-term thinking, where every choice feels like survival instead of growth. Step 1. Scarcity thinking starts when our attention locks on what's missing. The brain's tunnel vision cuts out creative options, narrowing focus to a single worry, like money or time. Step 2. This focus loop feeds urgency. The more we feel we lack, the more impulsive our decisions become, like spending fast or overcommitting. It's a cycle of scarcity reinforcing itself. Now, imagine two paths: scarcity versus abundance. The scarcity path focuses on limits, fear of losing. The abundance path looks for possibilities, seeing ideas as expandable, not scarce. Researchers say abundance thinking opens the prefrontal cortex, our planning center, allowing creative, long-term solutions. Scarcity, in contrast, locks us into survival mode, shrinking our future vision. The key to breaking the scarcity mindset is awareness. Noticing when you're operating from fear, like rushing decisions or comparing constantly, lets you pause and reframe. When you focus on what's possible, creativity grows. The world stops feeling limited and starts feeling alive with options. That's the power of shifting from scarcity to abundance.